Now we will see characteristic of reflex klystron tube. For that, make the following connection. Connect klystron mount to isolator, then isolator to variable attenuator, then variable attenuator to DRF meter, then DRF meter to detector mount, and output of this detector mount to CRO or VSWR meter. Make this connection with the help of this flying nut. Now connect this klystron tube to the klystron mount. Connect the cap on the top. Then this 8-pin octal socket to the output of klystron tube. Before switch on the supply, keep this HT switch to off position, this modulation to FM, this beam voltage knob to fully anti-clockwise, and the repeller voltage to fully clockwise direction. Now switch on this power supply. Now switch on this HT. Now select this beam voltage and keep it to 250 volt. Correspondingly check the current. This is 10 milliamp and make sure that this current should not exceed 25 milliamp. Now as we change the repeller voltage, we will see modes on the CRO. Change the repeller voltage. This is the first mode, second mode, third mode, and then the fourth mode. Now let's measure the repeller voltage. It's minus 190 volt. Now we will measure the corresponding frequency with the help of this DRF meter. When there is a dip in the mode, at that point we will measure the frequency using DRF meter with the help of this two horizontal line and one vertical line. Now we will see where it is coinciding. It is coinciding at around between 9.6 to 9.62. It is around 9.61 gigahertz. Like this we can measure the frequency for other repeller voltage. Before switching off the power supply, keep this beam voltage to fully anti-clockwise direction and repeller voltage knob to fully clockwise direction, and this HT to off position. Now switch off this.